Hey, you should join Really Animal Gym. It's so fair. To join Animal Gym, just go to animalgym.com and then what's this play now? You press on it, click, and then where it says sign up, you press on it. So then you'll make your own animal. You create your own user, you set and your own password. You'll They'll tell you more about that later. You'll also be chosen animal. You could choose one, and you have to say if you're female, when's your birthday, and stuff like that. Then you have to say your parents' email. You always remember that, okay? Okay. Now, my user is Lucia19. Please add me, and and um. And and see other videos. This is my first video exactly. So join Animal Jam. It's powerful and fun. You'll learn you'll learn different kind of facts, new people, and then you can decorate your own den and create more animals and make your and make your own den. You know, you should go to Animal Jam. It's fun. My user is Lucia19. Search me.